In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood hinges on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located at the base of your hood. Let's get into it. Just to keep the hood more stable, I'm just going to use a hood prop and just give it a little more support. I'm just going to take a marker and just mark the location where the hood hinges. There you go. Using a 13mm socket, loosen these nuts. Don't take them off yet, just loosen them. And just using some rags so we don't damage any of the panels. Just stick them under the hood right there. Now take the nuts off. Push the hinge down, and we'll just push the hood back. Just let that sit right there. Now we'll take that bolt out. Using a 10mm socket, loosen this bolt up. Using a 12mm socket, take these bolts out. Take that off. Now take the hood hinge, slide it in position, and take the bolts, reach in there, get those started. Get that one as well. And just get the bracket as close to your marker marks as possible. And tighten those down. We'll just snug these down first. And tighten this one down. Snug that down. That's good. Raise the hinge and then grab the hood. Just get this to line up. It's lined up. Get the nuts started. Good. And I'm going to torque these to 16 foot-pounds. It's a little tight in here. You want to torque those as well. 16 foot-pounds. And do the best you can for the rear. It's a little bit tight in there. I'm just going to snug it up. All right, that's good. You can take the rags down. You could do the same for the other side. And before you close the hood, be very careful. Make sure everything lines up right and make any adjustments you need. And you can remove the hood prop. And take the hood prop, reposition that, go nice and slow. Looking at your lines. Those line up good. And the latch lines up as well, right in the middle. Close the hood.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.